Hi, Doug and Rachel Swardstrom, and we're going to discover the latest data in the Orange County real estate market today for June 2023 for our market report, and where we're going to uncover the lowest inventory levels and shifting demand trends. And we're going to find out how home prices, market time, and distressed properties are impacting the real estate market. So stay informed and gain an edge in the competitive Orange County real estate market.
So welcome back. Today we dive into the dynamic world of Orange County's housing market in our highly anticipated June 2023 market report. So get ready to uncover the latest statistics, trends, and insider insights that will empower you to navigate this vibrant real estate landscape. Whether you're a potential buyer, seller, or simply curious about the market pulse, this video is your ultimate guide. So join us as we unveil the exciting details of Orange County real estate market. Here's the report for 2023.
Hi, we hope you find this video and information helpful. If you do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And at the end, we're going to provide information on how you can get a link to the data. So let's get into the report. Over the past couple of weeks, the active listing inventory has seen a minor increase of 6 homes, resulting in a total of 2,196. This number remains largely unchanged and represents the lowest level of the start of June since tracking began in 2004. In May, there was a significant decrease in the number of homes entering the market, with 45% fewer homes compared to the average from 2017 to 2019, which is prior to COVID-19 pandemic. This decrease amounts to 1,879 fewer homes. In contrast, last year there were 3,059 homes on the market, which is 863 more homes for a 39% increase. When we compare these to the 3-year pre-COVID average of 6,501 homes, the current inventory is nearly triple at 196% higher.
The demand, measured by the number of pending sales over the previous month, has decreased by 70 pending sales in the past 2 weeks, accounting for a 4% decline. The current total stands at 1,595 pending sales, representing the lowest level for the start of June since tracking began in 2004. This decline also marks the largest drop in sales this year. In comparison, last year, we saw 2,020 pending sales, which is 27% higher than the current figure. Looking at the 3-year average before pandemic from 2017 to 19, the current number of pending sales is 73% lower, with 2,766 sales during that period. With the decrease in demand, the expected market time, which indicates the number of days required to sell all listings at the current buying space, has increased from 39 to 41 days in the past couple of weeks. Last year, the expected market time was 45 days, similar to the current figure, but it was experiencing a rapid cooling trend during the increasing rates. This marks the first time since March of 2022 that the expected market time has been lower than the previous year.
So for homes priced below $750,000, the expected market time right now has increased from 27 to 28 days. And this price range constitutes 19% of the active inventory and 27% of the demand. Similarly, for homes priced between $750,000 and $1 million, the expected market time has increased from 25 to 27 days. This range represents 15% of the active inventory and 23% of the demand. The expected market time for homes priced between $1 million and $1.25 million has increased from 28 days to 30 days. This range accounts for 10% of the active inventory and 14% of the demand. For homes priced between $1.25 million and $1.5 million, the expected market time has increased from 33 to 35 days and represents 10% of the active inventory and 12% of the demand. Additionally, for homes priced between $1.5 million and $2 million, the expected market time has increased from 46 to 50 days, making up 13% of the active inventory and 11% of the demand.
On the higher end of the market, homes priced between $2 and $4 million have experienced a decrease in the expected market time from 79 days to 76 days in the past 2 weeks. For homes priced between $4 million and $6 million, the expected market time has increased from 149 days to to 163 days. And finally, for homes priced above $6 million, the expected market time is increased from 267 to 274 days. Luxury homes, defined as those above $2 million, account for 33% of the inventory and 13% of demand.
For the distressed homes category, including both short sales and foreclosures, they make up a very small portion of the market. They comprise only 0.4% of all listings and 0.2% of the demand. Currently, there are 2 foreclosures and 6 short sales available in Orange County, totaling 8 distressed homes on the active market. This is a decrease of 6 from 2 weeks ago, and the number of distressed homes on the market is the same as last year. In April, there were 1,696 closed residential resales, representing a 34% decrease compared to April 2022, which had 2,565 closed sales. April also saw a 5% drop compared to March 2023. The sale to list price ratio for all of Orange County was 100.2%, indicating that most sales were made at or above the listing price. Foreclosures accounted for only 0.1% of all closed sales, and there were no closed short sales. This means that 99.9% of all sales involve sellers with equity.
Wow, that's a lot of data. And with all that said, that wraps up our in-depth exploration of the Orange County real estate market for June of 2023. We hope this comprehensive report has provided you with valuable insights and a clear understanding of the current trends and conditions in this thriving market. If you found this video helpful and you'd also like to receive a full report on the data we talked about, please reach out to us, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more market updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss on our future content.